Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And it's 5 o'clock. Now it's time to give water to the plant. But this work is so boring. So why not make some new stuffs automatically? Sounds cool, right? So we will not do this old process. So I have made this automatic plant watering system. It doesn't need any human effort. It works automatically. This project is good for exhibition purpose and also very helpful in agriculture field. So let's get started. Before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
We need Arduino Nano or Arduino Uno, whatever you have. Here we need soil moisture sensor, a single channel relay module, a submersible water pump, then 18650 batteries, a small pipe, you can get it from hardware shop, a small breadboard and few jumper cables. This is the circuit diagram, you can get it from the description. Now let's do the connection part. Now connect the D0 pin to the Arduino D4. Connect the ground pin to Arduino ground. Now connect the VCC pin to Arduino 5V. Now connect 3 male to female jumper in relay module and connect 2 jumper in the soil moisture sensor and connect to the top of the circuit. Now connect the signal pin of relay module to Arduino D7. Now connect the VCC of relay module to Arduino 5V. And the ground of relay module to ground of Arduino. This is the mini water pump and I am giving connection to it. Connect the red wire to the left pin of relay and take another wire which is common and connect to the middle terminal. Make sure you tighten it properly. So my whole connection is done and you can check the circuit diagram for better understanding. So let's program it. So this is the code and you can get it from the description. Select the port and select the Arduino board and upload it. Now attach the pipe to the pump I took a container with water as reservoir and dipped the palm into it. And this is the whole setup for the project. I connect those batteries with the motor and I am giving power to the Arduino with the help of a power bank. Now I am testing it on the dry soil. You can see the soil is dry, so the pump is activated and the water is flowing. That means this plant need water at this moment. So the soil becomes wet and the water flowing is stopped. Whenever I take out the sensor, it means this is dry now, hence the water will flow again. When I dipped it again, the water flowing stopped. Now testing it on wet soil. As you can see, the pump is not activated because the soil is wet and hence the water is not flowing. So when I take it out, water will start flowing again like the previous one. So this is the main fundamental phenomena of this project. In short, when the soil is dry, water will flow, and when the soil is wet, the water will not flow. So guys, how's the video? Comment down below. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe the channel and support us. So stay tuned for the next video.